U.S. visitor killed, man injured during burial at St. Catherine Cemetery. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A visitor from the United States was shot dead and another man injured while at a burial at Medeiros Memorial Gardens in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday afternoon. The dead woman has been identified as 57-year-old Sharonette Hammond from Brooklyn, New York. The injured man, who is said to be 23 years old, has been released from hospital. Information reaching Links 007 TV News indicate that at around 3 p.m., both persons were among patrons leaving a burial when they were pounced upon by gunmen. The police said that the gunman opened fire at their vehicle before escaping. Hammond was shot in the head and upper body, while the man sustained injuries to his right hand. They were rushed to hospital where Hammond succumbed to her injuries and the man treated and released. No motive has since been established for the attack. The police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.